Hello, I'm back with another room tour video. This time I'm back in Sydney, and instead of staying at kind of one of the bigger hotels, I'm staying at a little boutique hotel in Paddington, which is where I used to live. It's called the Mrs. Banks Hotel, and it's so cute, you guys. I love it so much. I just got the cheapest, most basic room, so it's a small room, but it's perfect for what I need. I'm just here for 3 nights, so yeah, thought I'd give you a little room tour and show you what it's like. So you come in through the door here, you've got luggage area and hooks on the walls, and then you've got this little entranceway, and here you've got obviously tea and coffee making facilities. I'm in room 405, and then you've got T2 teas, which I really like. And then in the fridge, I just discovered they've left Tim Tams, which makes me very happy. There's also complimentary water. And then in here, there's like extra bedding if you need it. And in here, they've got the wardrobe space, an extra towel, a hairdryer, a safe, and weighing scales if that's your thing. And then through here we've got the bathroom there, so it's just a little modern bathroom with a nice little sink, a funky mirror, which I really like, and then you've got all the toiletries. I have not heard of that brand before, but I'm sure it's probably a local, yeah, it's an Australian brand. So that's nice. And then a nice big shower here, and I really like that they've got both the rainfall shower and then a normal shower head as well. I don't know about you, but sometimes I feel a bit blinded by the rainfall showers. So yeah, that's all good. And then here you've got a nice little sitting area and a TV. And then here you've got the beds. So it's quite a simple little room, but I really like it. And then I'm quite lucky, I've got a room on the end, so I've got a proper window as well as a glass block window. A lot of the rooms here do just have these glass blocks for windows, just because it opens onto another wall. So there isn't really much of a view, but yeah, this is the whole room. So as you can see, very small. There's also a nice little full-length mirror here. And yeah, they've just got like lots of nice little touches about the local area. So I used to live here. I lived here for 2 years, so I know the area pretty well, but still, it's nice to have these things. And yeah, that's it really. This is kind of, what's the view like? That's it. Not really much of a view, but you're not really staying here for the view. You're staying here for kind of the location and the access to a local suburban area rather than being right in the middle of the CBD. So just for kind of reference, Paddington is basically in between the CBD and the city and Bondi Beach. So it is a really good location. It's only about half an hour walk into the CBD and a very quick bus ride to Bondi. So yeah, I'm so excited I cannot even speak, I'm so excited. But I'm so excited to be back in Sydney and back in this area. I loved living here so much. So yeah, I'm excited to spend the next couple of days just going back to all my favourite places and checking out some new ones. So yeah, anyway, I will be back soon with more room tours, because next up I have a room tour at the Bel Air Hotel, the Beverly Hills Hotel and the Beverly Wilshire. So it's going to be an insane few weeks travelling. But yeah, those will be with you very shortly. I've just got off a flight, so I'm a bit kind of clammy and sweaty and I need to sort my face out before I go for dinner with my friends. But anyway, I'll see you soon. Bye!